Very good evening to all of you. So today we are going to talk about the powers of Karta in Hindu joint family and the legal status of a joint Hindu Karta. And and a very important question related to that, can a female be a Karta in joint Hindu family? So this is a topic from family law. Generally in law schools, there is a subject called family law. So I'll be sharing my screen. So the very first thing that we need to understand over here is the joint Hindu family. What is a joint Hindu family? Basically, joint Hindu family is a patriarchal body, and the head of the family in joint Hindu family is called Karta. Basically, in every particular family, Karta is the senior most male member. Okay, and he acts as a representative on behalf of the family. So family का जो head होता है उसे हम कर्ता बोलते हैं और ये जो कर्ता होते हैं ये हर मैटर में फैमिली के बिहाफ पे एक्ट करते हैं एंड दे आल्सो टेक डिसीजन ओके अब कर्ता एंड अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स के बीच में एक फिडुशियरी रिलेशनशिप होता है fiduciary relationship as you might have heard in your law schools or whenever you are studying some legal articles or something like that. So fiduciary relationship का मतलब होता है a relationship which is based on trust, right? So it's a relationship which is based on trust. So basically they have that this fiduciary relationship with other family members because हर एक family को एक head member चाहिए होता है. Why every family needs a head member? So that they can look after the welfare of the minor members and females in a joint Hindu family. काफी सारे फैमिलीज अगर आप ऐसे ही नॉर्मल भी सोचेंगे तो हर फैमिली में एक इंसान ऐसा होता है इनफैक्ट इवन इन योर फैमिली आपके पापा या आपके मदर जो भी होंगे दे यूज टू टेक दिस इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन है ना कुछ भी हो रहा है तो दे हैव टू टेक द इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन है ना शादी करवानी है डॉटर की देन दे हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन ठीक है सो दीज आर द केसेस सो एवरी फैमिली नीड अ कर्ता in their unique joint Hindu family. And this karta take cares of the whole family entire family का ये देखभाली करता है he used to take care of he or she ठीक है used to take care of the whole family and decision given by the karta whatever decision karta gives it is bound to be followed by the members of the Hindu joint family means in a Hindu joint family है अगर तो उसके जितने भी members होंगे they are bound to follow the decision which is taken by the karta and कर्ता के इक्वल कोई नहीं होता if someone is कर्ता of the family the head member of the family nobody is equal to कर्ता okay and the powers and position of कर्ता are wider than any of the members other members can give their advices okay but they cannot act on behalf of Karta. So he is the one who has to take all the major decisions. He has to look after the welfare of the minor members. He has to look after the female members and everything. And every important decision is taken by the Karta only. So in this way we can say कि जो कर्ता होता है उसका जो power है it is wider as compared to the other joint Hindu family members and no one can be compared with karta among the other members of the joint family. So you cannot compare a karta with other members of the family, right? So this is the basics that you need to understand. Okay, then now we are going to talk about the definition. So in article 236 of the Mullah Hindu law, it has yeah, so article 236 of the Mullah Hindu law has given the definition of karta. Okay, that karta, who would be the karta? It has been defined under article 236 of the Mullah Hindu law also. So according to that, manager means a property belonging to a joint family. एक जो joint family होती है उसकी जो property होती है it is ordinarily managed by the father or other senior members for the time being of the family. And the manager of a joint family is called Karta. The one who is looking after, the one who is taking all the major decisions are called Karta, right? Now, the question comes, who can be a Karta? So in every family, there is a senior most male member. Okay, and this senior most male member is entitled to become a karta. Okay, he is entitled to become a karta, and it is his right. Okay, it is his right that he can become a karta. Right now, no, I as you know कि फैमिली का ही होना चाहिए, ठीक है, उसके फैमिली का होना चाहिए, एंड कर्ता इज ऑलवेज फ्रॉम द मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली, है ना, हमेशा मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली से ही होगा. आउटसाइडर्स और स्ट्रेंजर्स जो है दे कैन नॉट बिकम अ कर्ता. अगर सीनियर मोस्ट मेल मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली अलाइव है, देन ही विल कंटिन्यू एज कर्ता. ठीक है, अगर इफ ही डाइज, देन द सेकंड सीनियर मोस्ट मेंबर जस्ट आफ्टर द सीनियर मोस्ट मेल मेंबर, जो भी सेकंड सीनियर मोस्ट मेल मेंबर होगा फैमिली का, इट विल टेक द चार्ज ऑफ द कर्ता, एंड कर्ता टेक्स हिज पोजीशन बाय कंसेंट और एग्रीमेंट ऑफ ऑल द को-पार्टनर्स. सो को-पार्टनर्स जितने भी होते हैं उस फैमिली के अंदर, दे यूज टू टेक ऑल द so karta, whosoever is going to be the karta, of course senior most member तो होगा ही, but in case of the reason being senior most member जो है, if he dies, then the other second senior most member have to become the karta, and for that he takes his position by the consent or agreement of all the co-partners. Then junior male member, अगर co-partners agree करते हैं, अच्छा co-partners क्या होता है, एक फैमिली में 3 मेल मेंबर्स है, राइट, तो 3 मेल मेंबर्स जो है, सपोज मेंबर ए मेल बी मेल सी, दे 3 आर co-partners, and suppose male A is the senior most member of that house, so male A will become the karta. Okay, and in case male A dies, then male B will become the karta. ठीक है, अब in such a situation where there is a junior in the family, how can that junior become a karta? That is a wider concept. We are going to talk about it in the later stage of these classes. But अगर co-partners agree करते हैं, suppose as I gave you the example, male A, male B and male C, तो अब suppose if male B is a junior, so he can also become a karta, but for that the co-partners must agree. Means all the co-partners has to agree for the same. By making the agreement with the co-partners, a junior male members can be a karta of the family. Okay, for becoming a karta, if he is a junior, then for that every particular co-partners has to agree. Okay. Now, female member as a karta, again, this is a wider concept because there are certain amendments which was done. So we will talk about it in a separate topic, how, like, who and how can a female become members as a karta, whether they are a part of a karta family or not, whether they can become karta or not. But right now, what we have to understand, female member as karta only. ठीक है, can a female member be a karta? According to धर्मशास्त्र, धर्मशास्त्र कहता है कि अगर किसी फैमिली मेंबर में, if there is an absence of the male member, अगर किसी फैमिली में मेल मेंबर नहीं है, then in that situation female can act as a karta. If in case male members are present, अगर मेल मेंबर्स प्रेजेंट है but they are minors, at that time also female can act as a karta. She can, in this situation she can act as a karta, right? Now characteristics of a karta. ठीक है, कर्ता के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या होते हैं? सो कर्तास पोजीशन जो होता है वो बहुत ही यूनिक होता है, स्यू जेनरस कह सकते हैं हम इसको. उसका पोजीशन इंडिपेंडेंट होता है, हिज पोजीशन इज इंडिपेंडेंट. ठीक है, एंड नो वन कैन बी कंपेयर्ड, and no one can be compared with him among the family members. ठीक है, he cannot be compared. उसके पास unlimited power होता है. ठीक है, he had unlimited power. Okay, but even if he acts on behalf of other members, he can't be treated as a partner or agent, right? So he had unlimited partner, but अगर वो अदर मेंबर्स के बिहाफ पे भी एक्ट कर रहा है तो उसको पार्टनर या एजेंट ट्रीट नहीं किया जाएगा. ही वुड बी द सीनियर मोस्ट मेंबर हु हैज ऑल द पावर्स ऑफ डिसीजन टेकिंग, राइट? ही कंट्रोल्स ऑल द अफेयर्स ऑफ द फैमिली. उस फैमिली में जो भी अफेयर्स हो गए, जो भी चीजें हो रही है, ही विल कंट्रोल ऑल ऑफ इट. ठीक है, एंड he has the wide powers. He is responsible to no one for the decisions taken. The only exception to this rule is means he is not responsible to anyone. वो किसी के लिए responsible नहीं है, but इसमें एक exceptions आता है. अगर fraud, misappropriation और conversion हो रहा है, then he can be held responsible, right? He is not bound to invest, save or economize. ठीक है. He has the power to use the resources as he likes. अपनी फैमिली का रिसोर्सेज जैसा वो चाहे वैसा वो यूज कर सकता है, unless he is not responsible for the above mentioned charges. And what were the above mentioned charges? It was fraud, misappropriation and conversion. Right? He is not bound to divide the income generated from the joint property equally among the family members. ठीक है. उसका मतलब ही इज नॉट बाउंड टू डू इट. उस मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि जो भी इनकम जनरेट हो रहा है जॉइंट प्रॉपर्टी से वो फैमिली मेंबर्स को इक्वली बांट दे. राइट. ठीक है. ही कैन डिस्क्रिमिनेट, वो एक दूसरे के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर सकता है एंड इज नॉट बाउंड टू बी इम्पार्शियल. ठीक है. The only thing is he should pay everyone so that they can avail some basic necessities. But उसको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि बाकी लोग जो बाकी members है, they should give some part of it, some part of the income generated. So he should pay everyone so that जो बाकी members है they can avail the basic necessities for the survival. जैसे food के लिए, clothing के लिए, education के लिए, shelter के लिए, इनके लिए उसका देना is he means उनको देना होगा. He should pay for that, right? Then there comes the next topic regarding the same. ठीक है. Now we have discussed about characteristics. Now next is powers of a karta. What are the powers of a karta? Okay, so basically talking about the powers, karta's power of management जो होता है वो absolute होता है. उनकी ड्यूटीज पे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं कर सकता. नो वन कैन क्वेश्चन द ड्यूटीज ऑफ द कर्ता. जैसे ही कैन मैनेज और मिसमैनेज द प्रॉपर्टी, family, business, any way he likes. Okay, karta cannot deny the maintenance and occupation. ठीक है. Property to any member. Karta is not liable for the positive failures. ठीक है. Then the second right is right to income or remuneration and expenditure. तो इनकम जो भी होता है जॉइंट इन फैमिली प्रॉपर्टी का in a whole must be given to the karta, right? Then it is the responsibility of the karta to allot the funds to the members for fulfillment of their needs. Karta controls the expenditure. ठीक है. Rest we are going to talk about it in tomorrow's lecture or in the next video lecture that I'll be uploading.